Okay, everyone, good morning. Thank you for your patience, but I'll get you out of here really quickly. All right, we'll start with, and good morning, Ms. Irby. This is the people.
Morning, Judge.
Let me turn. Okay. All right, well, is it Ms. Irby, is there anyone in particular you want me to start with?
Yes, Your Honor, we can start with Mr. Elwood. Or we can go straight down the docket. I'm ready, however you want to go.
No, that's fine. All right, this is the people versus Emmanuel Elwood, ticket number P1271594, count 1, driver registered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, improper plates. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Irby.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Mr. Elwood, who's with this court via Zoom. Your Honor, today is the date and time scheduled for a trial actually on Mr. Elwood's case. However, he has had the appropriate documentation, which has been provided to the prosecutor, and we're making a motion for dismissal. And by the way, the officer was present in court today.
Okay, with that, you stipulate the probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Elwood. Good luck to you, sir.
Mr. Elwood, you can dismiss. Leave the meeting. Thank you, Your Honor.
Who's that? All right, anyone else you want to do next, or do you just want to call them?
You can just go straight down the docket, Judge. I'm ready.
This is the people versus Leslie Sheffield, ticket number 406974, count 1, no operator's license in possession. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Irby.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Ms. Sheffield, who's with this court via Zoom.
Say your name, Ms. Sheffield.
Ms. Sheffield, she's telephonic, Your Honor.
Right. Ms. Sheffield, you need to unmute yourself. It's *6, dial *6 to unmute yourself. While we're waiting for you to unmute yourself, I'll move on to the next case. This is the people versus Luquette Elias. Elizak. Is he around?
No, your Judge, we can do Darrell Ellis, who's the first one on the case, Judge.
Darrell Ellis. This is the people versus Darrell Ellis. Ticket number P1325415, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, driver's license never acquired, and count 3, expired place. Good morning, please say your names for the record. Starting with
Good morning again, Your Honor. Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Mr. Ellis, who's with this court via Zoom.
Say your name, sir.
Darrell.
Okay, you can just say it.
Oh, Darrell Ellis.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. Today is a date and time scheduled for a pretrial as well as a hearing with Mr. Ellis's case. And Your Honor, I have had the opportunity to speak with the prosecutor on this matter. It appears that Mr. Ellis has paid the ticket for count 3. And we're asking that it would be a dismissal on count 1, and he was doing an amended charge of failure to display for count 2. And we're asking that the count 3 is dismissed and the fees paid would go towards the count that he is making a plea towards, which is SP 132-54152, which is driver's license not valid.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Ellis.
Yes.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you put your hand down? You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Irby today in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Has it, you're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
You understand you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
couldn't hear the last question.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes,
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of March 13, 2022 at 11:18 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Greenfield and I-96 in the city of Detroit,
yes,
driving a 2008 Chrysler vehicle,
yes, Your Honor.
not have a driver's license?
No, Your Honor.
You're satisfied, Ms. Irby?
Yes, satisfied, Your Honor.
You also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice will proceed to sentencing. Ms. Irby, you advocated for waiving the fine, so the court will waive the fine. You are all set, Mr. Ellis. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Anyone next?
Mr. Summers, Your Honor, Acario Summers.
Chef Bill, you still need to figure out how to unmute yourself. It's *6. This is the people versus Acario Summers. Ticket number P 1137060, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, tinted windows, front driver passenger windshield, more than 4 inches. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Irby.
Yes, Your
Acario
Honor,
Summers.
Attorney. Hold on, Mr. Summers. Attorney Irby appearing on behalf of Mr. Acario Summers, who's with this court via Zoom. Mr. Summers, can you start your camera? Okay, keep your face centered on the screen. Yes, Your Honor, today is the date and time scheduled for an arraignment for Mr. Summers with the 2 counts. I believe that there's a count that was in default that you read on the record. In reference to for SP 1137061, for a dismissal of count 2, Mr. Summers is willing to amend, the prosecutor has agreed to amend the charge to failure to display for count 1.
Right hand, Mr. Summers.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Mr. Summers, raise your right hand, your other hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Irby today in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
Pleading of your own free will?
yes,
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to December 16, 2020 at 2:17 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Chicago and Decatur in the city of Detroit,
yes,
driving a 2015 Chrysler vehicle?
yes, ma'am.
You're driving while your license was suspended.
Yep,
Are you saying yes or no?
yes,
All right. You satisfied, Ms. Irby?
Yes, Your Honor.
Also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to display? You stipulate
That's
the
correct,
proper
Your
cause-
Honor.
You stipulate the proper cause as the count 2 to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
It is dismissed without prejudice. The sentencing. Can you make that fine paid by October 13th?
uh, yes, I can. You say, how much is it?
200.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I can.
Okay, you're all set, sir. You have any questions?
No, no.
Good luck to you.
You can press leave meeting, Mr. Summers.
And Mr. Ellis, you can leave too. You're done. Anyone else? You ready for?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Saeed, Sayyied.
Yes,
All right,
Here.
this is the people versus Ishmael Saeed, ticket number P 1264495, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, failed to stop for stop sign, which might be in default. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Irby.
Yes, Your Honor. Attorney Irby appearing on behalf of Mr. Saeed, who's with this court via Zoom. Mr. Saeed, can you start your camera so you can raise your
yes,
judge? Thank you.
yes. The host asked you to start you. Okay,
Say your name, sir.
My name is Ismail Saeed.
Yes, Your Honor. Today is the date and time scheduled for a pretrial on these matters. And I have spoken with the prosecutor. Mr. Saeed wishes to avail himself of the offer, which is Mr. Saeed will be pleading to SP 126-44953, which is failure to stop, for an amended charge of blockading, and the other two counts will be dismissed, which is SP 126-44951 and 952.
All right, with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket, Ms. Irby.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You stipulate to probable cause as to counts 1 and 2 to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Make their dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Because this is a civil infraction, Mr. Saeed, you have 14 days to pay this fine, a fine of $175. If you don't pay it, it goes into default. You'll incur late fees or I think some maybe interest. So due date is the due date is September 27th. Can you have it paid by then?
October 1st would be okay, or is that too late?
I'll give you October 11th.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Okay.
All right, so you're all set, Mr. Saeed. Good luck to you,
Oh.
sir.
Thank you.
Make sure you pay it. Anyone else?
Ms. Simmons, Your Honor.
All right, this is the people versus Sabrina Simmons, ticket number P1335754, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Irby.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Irby appearing on behalf of Ms. Sabrina Simmons, who's with this court via Zoom.
Say your name, Ms. Simmons.
Yes, hi, Sabrina Simmons.
Your Honor, I have had the opportunity to speak with Ms. Simmons as well as with the prosecutor. Ms. Simmons has provided appropriate and all of the documentation in reference to these tickets, and I'm making a motion to dismiss.
You stipulate the probable cause, Ms. Irby?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right, counts 1 and 2 are dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Simmons, you are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Simon, Your Honor.
Are you listening? It's okay. Simon. It's okay. That's all right. All right, who's next, Ms. Irby?
Ms. Simon.
Okay. This is the people versus Amina Simon, ticket number P1325596, count 1. Are we dealing with the civil infractions as well, Ms. Irby?
All of it's, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 tickets, 5 tickets on the record, Your Honor.
Okay, so count 1, expired plates, count 2, registration and or violation, no plates, count 3, no valid registration certificate, ticket number P1325532, count 1, driver license suspended, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with
Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Ms. Amina Simon, who's with this court via Zoom.
Say your name, Ms. Simon.
Amina Simon, Amina Malika Simon.
Yes, Your Honor. Today is the date and time scheduled for a pretrial on 2 of Ms. Simon's matters and hearings on the other. I have had the opportunity to speak with Ms. Simon as well as with the prosecutor, and Ms. Simon has provided all appropriate documentation for me to request a dismissal on these matters that are before the court today.
On all matters?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with that, you stipulate to probable cause?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, so these matters are dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Simon, you are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you. May I leave?
You may.
Yes, Ms. Simon, press read meeting. Your Honor, if we can do Mr. Stitz next.
Okay, give me 1 second. This is the People versus Antonio Stitt, ticket number P1269616, count 1, expired plates, count 2, driver's revoked license, and count 3, no valid registration certificate. Good morning, please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Ms. Antonio Stitz, who's with this court via Zoom.
State your name, sir.
Antonio Stitz.
Yes, Your Honor, I have had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Stitz as well as with the prosecutor in this matter, and Mr. Stitz wishes to avail himself of the plea offer, which is Mr. Stitz will be pleading to count 2, which is SP 126-96162, and the other 2 counts would be dismissed.
All right, with that, Mr. Stitz, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Irby today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, promised you anything of value, or forced you to, in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial and you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of October 28, 2021 at 11:35 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Connor and Nashville in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2002 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
You driving with the revoked license?
Yes, ma'am.
You satisfied, Ms. Irby?
Satisfied, Your Honor, and stipulate for probable cause for the other, based on the value of the tickets of the others.
Okay, so counts 1 and 3 are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Stitz, there's gonna be a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by October 13th?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
You are all set. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay.
And Ms. Sykes, Your Honor, is next.
This is the People versus
I
Martha.
can leave now,
Sykes.
right?
You can leave.
Okay.
All right, everybody else, when you done, and when I say you all set, that means you can go. All right. This is the People versus Martha Sykes, ticket number P1268000. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number P1267915. Count 1, fail to stop the stop sign. I don't know if that's in default, but okay, I think it is. All right, good morning, please say your names for the record. It's not, okay, it's not.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm only showing 2, 80001 and 79151.
So which one? Wait, what do you see?
Martha Sykes, I see SP 126800001 and SP 1267951.
Yes, that's what I have. Yes, I caught those two. All right, please say your names for the record, Ms. Irby.
Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Ms. Martha Sykes, who's with this court via Zoom.
Ms. Sykes, say your name.
Yes, I'm here.
Say your name.
Martha Sykes.
Yes, Your Honor, I have had the opportunity to speak with Ms. Sykes as well as with the prosecutor, and Ms. Sykes wishes to avail herself of the plea offer that's been provided today, wherein Ms. Sykes will be pleading to SP 1267951. It will be amended to blockading, and the other count would be dismissed.
All right, with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket for ticket number SP 1267915,
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
and you stipulate the probable cause as to the other ticket to be dismissed.
Yes,
Yes.
All right, it's dismissed without prejudice. The court will amend the ticket number ending in 915 to blockading. We'll proceed to sentencing. Ms. Sykes, there's going to be a $175 fine because this is a civil infraction. It's due in 14 days. Can you have this paid by September 27th? No? You're shaking your
No.
head. Okay, so I'll give you to October 11th. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you are all set, ma'am. You can hang up.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
And the only one left, I believe, is Miss Spicer, who is not showing her phone. Oh, there she is. Sykes, you can leave. Press leave. Press the button.
This is the People versus Sarah Spicer, ticket number P1279927, count one, ignoring right turn only or exit sign lane. Ticket number P1280275, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with.
Yes, Your Honor. Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Miss Sarah Spicer, who's with this court via Zoom.
Say your name, Ms. Spicer.
Morning,
Say your name.
Sarah Spicer.
Yes, Your Honor. I have had the opportunity with Ms. Spicer as well as with the prosecutor, and Ms. Spicer wishes to avail herself of the offer that's been provided by the prosecutor, wherein Ms. Spicer will be pleading to SP 127-99271, which is a right turn, making a right turn improperly, and that charge will be amended to blockading, and the other count would be dismissed.
All right, with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket for ticket number P1279927.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, the court will amend that count to blockading, and you stipulate the probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so that ticket is dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Ms. Spicer, there is a fine of $175 because this is a civil infraction. It is due in 14 days. Can you have this paid by September 27th?
No.
Okay, so I'll give you to October 11th. If
Okay.
you don't pay, it goes into default and you'll incur late fees, and it doesn't close. Make sure you
Okay.
pay it, okay?
Okay.
Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
For all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ms. Sheffield, you're welcome. Ms. Sheffield, you still around? It's *6 to unmute yourself.
Ms. Sheffield, can you hear us? Ms. Sheffield, unmute yourself.
You guys want to do another day or?
I don't know if we're gonna have any luck with her, Miss Your Honor.
Yeah, Sandwich is not. What about Sandwich Jones? They're not here.
Who did you say, Judge?
Sandwich.
Oh, those individuals are, they're been taken care of, either a new pretrial date or a dismissal. So he's scheduled for trial, Your Honor, Sandridge. December the,
It was set for
December
trial.
yes, December the 2nd at 9 a.m. And you also have Strickland, who's scheduled for trial on the same date. And there's 2 pretrials if you want those as well.
The ones that I know about is okay. All right, so we just have Ms. Sheffield.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Sheffield, we have called you several times, so we'll give her another date. We'll just give her another date.
Okay.
Okay, so her next date is December 2nd. At 8:35. 8:35. All right, you guys, it has been a pleasure. Mr. Rosenthal, thank you, sir. Thank you, Ms. Irby.
Thank you, Judge. Thanks, everyone.
Goodbye.
Have a good day.
Have a good one.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Madam Clerk, and thank you, Ms. Serby.
Okay, thank